Hi, I'm Miyu. Welcome to Fine Dine Academy, where we help you get the most out of your dashboard. If you run more than one location, brand management lets you control all of them from one place. Open the brand you've created, go into its menu, and on the right click More, then choose to share this menu. Once it converts, you'll see it labeled Shared Menu. Next, manage which locations use it. Add your branches, here, Branch 1 and Branch 2, then hit Save, and that single menu is now live across both. Now let's set a different price for one location while everyone keeps sharing the same menu. Open any item, go to Price Options, then Advanced Price option. You'll see the default price, so click Add Price Override, pick the venue you want, and enter its price. 12 for this one. Save the override, then save the item. Venue 1 is now 12, while every other location stays at the default 10. Finally, you can control which items each location shows. Open an item and click Manage Display Item. From here, you can enable or disable that item per location. This soup isn't available at Branch 2, so switch it off there and save. It's now hidden from Branch 2 and still on the menu at Branch 1. That's it for this one. For more quick tips, check out the other videos on our Fine Dine Academy channel. See you there!